near midnight at Aldwych Station in London, you're warned. Don't look down the empty tracks. Locals whisper about flickering lights and the distant rumble of trains that shouldn't exist. Phantom carriages filled with passengers who vanished decades ago. Some say they've glimpsed pale faces pressed to the windows, eyes pleading for escape. Others claim to hear footsteps echoing in the deserted tunnels, growing louder, as if someone or something is catching up. The last reported disappearance was never solved. Will you be the next to board? Follow for more chilling urban legends you'll wish you never heard.